The knob-billed duck is one of the largest duck species. Its length ranges from 56 to 76 centimetres, and the weight ranges from 1.03 to 2.9 kilograms. The male knob-billed duck is easily identifiable by the prominent black knob on their bill. Both males and females share blue-green iridescent plumage on their wings and tail feathers, but the male's colours are more vibrant, and they are larger in size. During the breeding season, the male knob-billed duck usually has more than 2 mates or even up to 5 in succession throughout the season, which means greater responsibility, because it's the male's task to protect the mate and the baby birds.